Hello, family. Tonight we're going to go over an awesome challenge that could help you improve your trading and stay more disciplined and focused on only one pair. As you can see, we have 5 days of the week here on my chart, and our USD is the pair that I trade. We're on a 1 hour time frame. And in this particular video, we're going to identify setups for Monday through Friday from all of last week and then total out how many pips we could have caught. So I've color coded each day. I've broken each day of the week up into sessions. I boxed off those days so you can easily identify Monday through Friday. So I do encourage you to do the same. And we're going to focus on some trade setups on just one time frame for now. Of course, if you drop down to a lower time frame, you could catch more setups, but just to keep it simple for this video, we're going to go ahead and stick with the 1 hour, and we're going to use the starting point as our strategy today. And let's get started. So starting with Monday, as you can see, the market has been dropping down, and we're going to go ahead and identify our starting point on Monday. So market drops down, pulls back, creates a lower lower low, excuse me. Okay. The minute the market breaks below this starting point, I could have entered my trade for a sell right here. So we'll go ahead and mark this as a trade opportunity for a sell. All right, let's continue on. We got the market dropping again, pull back, drop again, pull back. Once again, I'm going to draw a line. Okay, same thing. When the market broke below the starting point right here, it retested the zone and I could have entered for a sell right here, taking the market down to here. Now on Tuesday, not much going on. It did retest the zone here, so I could go ahead and the minute I saw this rejection, I could have entered my trade for another sell setup. Also, I could have used this starting point right here to enter the trade, and the minute it broke and closed below that and retested, I could have entered as well if I would have missed this top part right here. So there's another trade set up. Market dropped all the way down, gave me a little pullback right here. I'm gonna go ahead and draw a line. That one didn't have a wick, so I'm going to leave it as is. And as you can see, this beautiful setup right here where the market came down, dropped below. You could have caught this if you're a scalper. Break, retest, could have caught about 5 pips here, 5 or 10 pips here. I can zoom in a little bit. No, that's actually more. Disregard. That's 30 pips right there. So that was the entry there. The minute the market came back into the zone, broke above, retested, I could have caught an entry there for a buy. And for those who would have wanted to have waited for extra confirmation, you could have boxed up this area, simply trapped the market right here, and waited for the market to have closed above that area for the buy. Let me send this to the back. You also have a inverted head and shoulder pattern right here, so I could have broke above, breakout, retest on Tuesday, caught the buy here for this one. Bring this forward one more time. Bring to forward. There we go. All right, so far we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trade setups, 7 for those who would, yep, 7 right now so far. Let's continue on. We're only in Wednesday, and then we'll tally up all our pips for the week once we get done with this activity. Well, that's something you're gonna want to do. All right, so on Wednesday, a little bit of consolidation right here, but it did break above our starting point, where we were able to also catch it's not many pips right here. Let me see. So here we would have gave you 20 pips. The minute broke out retest on that particular candle. I wouldn't say 20. That's just oh no, okay, I stand corrected. That's 20. So market broke out of this starting point, this zone right here when it came back up, retested of this red candle, and then this blue candle is when you could have took a buy for 20 pips. The minute the market went back into this zone and closed below the starting point, you could have taken the market at the retest for a sale. So there go another opportunity for a trade. You could have took it down to the next zone as well. And here, as you can see, you got some consolidation. The minute the market broke out of this zone right here, you didn't get a retest per se, unless you would have dropped to a lower time frame. But on this particular time frame, you did not get a retest. And the market goes back into this zone, retest, and there you could have called another entry for a sale. The minute the market broke below this zone right here, you missed this opportunity right here by maybe a pip, but you could have caught the retest here and have taken the market down for a sale. Oh, wait, I done went past Friday. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this off because that is Monday all over again. So as you can see, just for this simple exercise here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trading opportunities on one pair trading Monday through Friday. Now, one unique way that you could see the impact is calculate the pippage amount from where you would have entered and exit. Typically, I enter and exit from starting point. So right here, for example, that's 100 pips on Monday. So let's go ahead and put that. We're going to go ahead and tally this up. So Monday, we could have caught 100. We're going to see how much we would have made for the week. So 100 on Monday. On Tuesday, when we took this trade, there's 113-ish. So we'll go ahead and clone this. 113 on Tuesday. Had you entered here. Now, if you would have entered a little later. No, that's about right. Excuse me. So how retest, boom. It would have started. Oh, it would have been right here. So I stand corrected. 96. So Tuesday is actually 96. Perfect. Okay, on Wednesday, buy opportunity down here. Took it all the way up. We're gonna only focus on Wednesday, excuse me. So if you're in the trade on Wednesday and you took it all the way up until Thursday until you got to this level here, that would have gave you about 126. I'm gonna just estimate moving forward and get this so we're not just dragging out this video too long. Perfect. All right, Thursday. I remember on Thursday I said you could have caught 20 pips off this one candle, so we're gonna add that and then use the Once it went back into the zone, retested here, we could have took it down as well for the sell. So we're going to add 20 pips to this drop here, which is 60. So we got a total of 80 pips for Thursday. And mind you, this is all off the 1 hour time frame. So there are more setups on different time frames. And then come Friday, you could have, oh man, I would have loved to have entered this. Once it broke and close, if you would have used the swing, I didn't give a retest. Let me see something real quick. Swing low. I kind of missed it. Okay, I was just checking something out for this push up. On Friday, we would have, the minute the market dropped and pulled back into this area, we would have caught the sell down to the market close. The lowest low 104. So about 104 pips. All right. All right, so we're going to tally this all up together and see how much we would have caught by the end of the week. And then based on your lot size, you can see how profitable you would have been if you would have focused on literally just one pair, trading one pair each day of the week and finding these amazing setups. So we have 100 plus 96 plus 126 plus 80 and 104. That's a total of 500 pips, people. 506 to be exact. And this is just 5 days, only on one time frame, one pair. So I challenge you to do this as well. Focus on one pair for the next 5 days and look for these setups to take. In my future videos, I will go into detail about the starting point, but I just wanted to show you this unique exercise that I've done and often do when focusing on one pair to trade for the week. So thank you for joining me, and if you have any questions, drop a comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, take care.